Whales are majestic and mysterious creatures that inhabit the oceans of our planet. They attract attention not only because of their massive size, but also due to their fascinating behaviors, one of which is the spouting of water in the form of a fountain from their blowholes. This spectacle always evokes awe, but few people think about what actually causes this phenomenon. Why do whales spout water in fountains? Today, we'll explore this question and explain what happens when a whale releases water from its blowhole. To understand why whales spit water, we first need to look at how their blowholes are structured. Whales don't have noses like humans or many other animals. Instead, they have blowholes located on top of their heads. This opening is called a spiracle, or blowhole, and is used for breathing. The blowhole allows the whale to rise to the surface, take a breath, and then dive back down into the depths of the ocean. When a whale surfaces, it quickly exhales, and at that moment, air is forced out of the blowhole with great power. This process is accompanied by a spout of water and steam, which forms due to the temperature difference between the warm air inside the whale's lungs and the cold surrounding water. So when we see the fountains of water spouted by whales, we're actually witnessing a mixture of steam and water formed because of the temperature contrast. The process of water spouting in whales is quite fascinating. When a whale comes to the surface, it performs several actions. First, it opens its blowhole. Then, it exhales forcefully, releasing air with great pressure. This causes a powerful burst of water and steam to shoot out of the blowhole. The spout can be quite large and visible from a great distance. Depending on the whale's size and the strength of its breath, the spout can reach several meters in height. Interestingly, whales do not swallow water when they breathe. Instead, they simply raise their blowhole above the surface of the water and inhale air, avoiding any water entering their lungs. This process is similar to how humans breathe when we keep our heads above water, inhaling without swallowing any water. Thus, the water spout is a result of the whale forcefully exhaling, not ingesting water. There are several reasons why whales spout water in fountains, and each of these reasons serves a specific purpose. One of the primary reasons whales exhale water is to clear excess moisture from their respiratory passages. When a whale rises to the surface and inhales, moisture can accumulate in its airways. A sharp exhale helps to expel this moisture and any other impurities. This is important for keeping the whale's respiratory system clear and ensuring efficient breathing. Whale breathing is also connected to thermoregulation. When they inhale, whales take in air and heat along with it. By exhaling, they release excess heat that could accumulate in their bodies during long dives into cold waters. Additionally, the spout of steam may serve as a signal to other animals. This helps regulate the whale's body temperature, enabling it to thrive in cold ocean environments. Another important reason for water spouting is communication with other whales. Many species of whales, such as humpback whales, use their spouts to communicate with others of their kind. These spouts can be seen from a considerable distance, helping whales navigate and find each other. In some cases, the water spout may not only serve as a marker of the whale's location, but also signal danger or direct migration routes. The spouts produced by whales may also play a role in positioning and spatial orientation. Some researchers suggest that whales may use these spouts as part of their environmental awareness. It helps them maintain their position in the water and move effectively through the ocean. The process of water spouting by whales is not just a spectacular sight, but also an essential part of their daily functioning. It plays a key role in maintaining healthy respiratory passages, thermoregulation, and spatial orientation, as well as in communication with other whales. Even seemingly simple behaviors, like water spouting, are critical to the whale's complex and fascinating world. Whales are incredible, perfectly adapted creatures, and understanding the function behind the fountains they create helps us appreciate the depth of their lives in the ocean.